Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to solve day 7 problem of this month on LeetCode. Before starting, if you guys haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, then please go ahead and subscribe it. Now without any delay, let's get started with today's problem. So today I am going to solve problem number 1518, water bottles. So there are water bottles that are initially full of water. Okay, so see this example one. So total 9 bottles are there initially and all the 9 bottles are full of water. Okay, you can exchange empty water bottles from the market with one full water bottle. Okay, so num exchange is 3. Okay, so let's read it like this. There are 9 water bottles that are initially full of water. You can exchange 3 empty water bottles from the market with one full water bottle. Okay, so see here these 3 bottles are empty, so I have replaced these 3 empty water bottles with one full water bottle. Okay, these 3 with one, these 3 with one. Okay, so now after that again I got 3 water bottles. Okay, I drink the water from all of them. Now 3 empty water bottles are there, so from 3 empty water bottles I can take one more full water bottle. Okay, then after that I drink this water bottle, then it becomes empty. So in total how many full water bottles that I drink here? So 9 plus these 3 12, 12 plus 1 this 13. Okay, so 13 is my output. Okay, so you can exchange 3 empty bottles to get one full water bottle, right? This is what we are doing. 3 empty bottles with one full water bottle, 3 empty bottles with one full water bottle, 3 empty bottles with one full water bottle. Then I drink all these 3, then I again get 3 empty water bottles, then I replace them with one full water bottle, then again I drink it, then it becomes empty. So in total number of water bottles that you can drink is 9 plus this 3 plus 1 is 13. Okay, so this is my output. Okay, so operation of drinking a water bottle turns it into an empty bottle. Okay, full water bottle we are going to drink and we are going to turn it into an empty bottle. So we have given 2 integers, num bottles and num extend. We have to return the maximum number of water bottles that you can drink. Okay, so I hope that you guys got clear with this example one, right? So see this example 2. Initially how many water bottles are there? 15 water bottles. Definitely I am going to drink all 15 of them, right? Then let's say I drink all the 15 water bottles, right? So num exchange is 4. Okay, so if I divide this 15 with 4, then what is the output that I'm going to get? I'm going to get 3 now, 3 sets. 4 3 is 12. Okay, I'm going to get the 3 sets of the 4 bottles. Okay, I'm going to get the 3 sets of 4 bottles, right? Num exchange is equal to 4 now. I just divide the number of num bottles, that is 15, with my num exchange. Okay, and I have found out that I have 3 complete sets, 3 complete sets of 4 empty bottles after drinking. Okay, and there are 3 remaining water bottles are also there. Okay, so remaining water bottles are again 3, right? 3 are remaining and 3 complete sets. Okay, so here in total what is the output that I'm getting? 3 plus 3 is equal to 6, right? So for these 3 I am going to get the 3 new bottles, right? For these 3 I am going to get the 3 new one. For these 3 sets I am going to get the 3 new bottles, right? So one set, one bottle, one set, one bottle, one set, one bottle. Okay, so 3, I have got 3 bottles here, so that is why I'm writing 3 here, and 3 are remaining, right? So 3 plus 3 is 6. So see here how many water bottles I have now? 6. 1 2 3. Okay, after drinking all these 3 and then 3 remaining, so total 6. Okay, that is why I'm writing 6 here. Okay, now again I empty all the bottles. Okay, so 6 total bottles are 6. 6 divided by 3, 6 divided by my num exchange 4. So how many complete set I get? 6 divided by 4 is 1. Okay, one complete set of 4 bottles. Okay, so one complete set of 4 bottles, right? One complete set of 4 bottles. Okay, so I can get one bottle from here, so that is why I am writing 1 here. Okay, and the remaining bottles, so 6 modulus of 4, 6 modulus of 4 is equal to 2. It is going to give me the total remaining bottles. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. So see here, one bottle this one and 2 remains 3. Okay, so I have got 3 empty bottles. So in total how many bottles I drink here? So 15 plus these 3, 18 plus 1, 19, right? So 19 bottles. Okay, so I hope that you guys are clear what I'm doing here, right? So total number of bottles initially are 15. Okay, full drinking water bottles. Okay, 15. Then I drink all these bottles. Let's say I drink all these bottles. So how many bottles I can exchange now? So 15 divided by 4 num exchange, that is going to give me 3 bottles. Okay, I'm going to get the 3 new bottles. And what are the remaining bottles? Okay, so there are total 3 sets na, total 3 sets of this 4 4 4. I get 3 bottles. The remaining are these 3 na, so 15 modulus of 4 I have to do. So 15 of modulus of 4 is equal to 3. So 3 plus 3 total 6 bottles. Okay, now I have 6 bottles na, so I drink all the bottles, right? So 6 divided by 4 is equal to, so here I am getting one complete set. Okay, and how many remaining bottles? 6 modulus of 4 is equal to 2 remaining bottles. Okay, so 3. So here see, every time I have to add now, whenever I'm going to get this new value now, this 3, and after division whatever value I'm getting, I have to add this value in the 15. Okay, this 15, then here 15 divided by 4 complete sets I have found 3, so I have to add 3 here. 6 divided by 4 I have found one complete set, so I have to add that here. So 15 plus 3 plus 1. So I am going to write the code for this one. So code is also going to be very simple. So initially let's point my sum is equal to num bottles. Okay, then we have to run one while loop, and inside this while loop we have to check whether my num bottles. Okay, so let's write it num bottles is greater than equal to my num exchange. Okay, in that case only I can perform these things now, I can get the new bottle. Okay, if my num bottles is greater than equal to num exchange, in that case only I can get the new water bottle, right? Completely filled water bottle. Okay, so here we have to find the carry. So how I'm going to calculate the carry? So to calculate the carry I have to just need the modulus now. So int carry is equal to num bottles modulus with my num exchange. Okay, that's it. This is done. And now we have to get the number of new bottles that I can get. So how I'm calculating the number of new bottles that I can get? So simply just copy this line, paste it here, and instead of getting the remainder we have to just divide it, right? So this is done. This is done. Okay, now what is going to be the new value of my num bottles? Okay, num bottles is equal to my carry plus bottles, right? And also I have to increment my sum every time na, whenever I'm getting the new bottles. So sum is equal to sum plus bottles. That's it. That's it. Code is done here. We are done here. We have to just return sum now. That's it. So now let's run it and see. So all the test cases has been accepted. Now let's submit it. So see, our solution is very easy, right? So our solution beats hundreds% of users with Java, right? And for this you can see the time complexities of log of num bottles. Okay, log of num bottles. So I hope that you guys are able to understand today's problem. If you guys still have any doubt, then please feel free to ask in comment section. Till then, keep coding and keep practicing. Meet you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.